Hello, my name's Pete. My name's Shelly. And we're trying to sell our cola. Called Big 30 Cola. It's 30 ounces. And it's made by Coca-Cola. And it's only 25 cents a can right now. Gotta get it while it's on sale. Because the price will go up, but not much. Because we got our own living on it. And if you're not completely satisfied with our product, you can take your can back to your nearest grocery store and just tell them you're not completely satisfied, and they'll give you a case of your choice, whatever kind of cola you want. And that's how we're going to try to sell our cola.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Cool and refreshing. Only 45 cents. You can buy one, get one free.
And it ain't like those cheap 25-cent Cokes you buy. So go get it today. It's really good. That's it.
Okay. Alrighty.
When y'all give me a grade on this, that me and my partner had a falling out, and he's the one that owned the business, and I couldn't get him to put it on the assembly line, so all I could do was get the sketch back. But it's the new Click shirt for cool, lousy, inconsiderable, crazy kids. And I know all y'all kids out there are just dying to have one of these. Pure cotton. Won't shrink when you wash it. And it's a lot cheaper than the bum shirts and stuff like that. It's only $50. It's a great shirt. I'd appreciate if y'all would buy this so I could get my own company someday, so I could get my partner back for shutting his down. So thank y'all.
On and Brian.
Is it on?
It's on.
Okay. These are Pee Wee Herman's new scrawny paper towels. You get a 1,000 pi 11 by 9 inch square feet of this. It's also 999,000 square feet of pure paper towels. And Pee Wee's scrawny paper towels are guaranteed the scrawniest. And when you buy Pee Wee's scrawny paper towels, you get 2 free tickets to Hawaii for 3 days and 4 nights of pure luxury vacation. So come out and buy Pee Wee's scrawny paper towels today.
Urkel's Guide to Being a Successful Nerd, only $9.95. Tips that work, lab tested, Urkel approved, guaranteed to work or your money back. If you call now, you get these free Urkel socks for a limited time only. Call today, 1-800-555-NERD. Hurry, sell in soon.
The makeup mask that peels off. What you do is you put it on, you stretch it on your face, and you put makeup on, and you go out. When you come back home, all you have to do is peel the mask off. You won't have to worry about the makeup, wash your face and all. Buy this product and be worry-free. See sales clerk for sample.
Okay.
Good.
Who love to sleep your day away?
Here's the news.
24-hour sleeping pills.
Snoozers are made with 100% natural ingredients and are found in your local drugstore. They got 5 different colors too.
Okay. Hello, my name is Josh. This is Selena. This is Pee Wee. And this is Pee Wee's Vaseline. It helps soothe most burns. It does stuff to chapped lips. It helps for and it's $3.99 for 12 of these little boxes. Okay, and it's also been paid for by Pee Wee's. It's sponsored by Pee Wee's Scrawny Paper Towels. And for every box of this, you get a free bag of empty cheese balls. Okay. Well, that's about it.
Okay. Okay, go.
Hey,
News.
whoa. You can't do that.
What?
Use 30 ounces.
We had the first 30 ounce.
That was 24.
Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, let's start again.
4 ounce jumbo red. It's better than big red. Plus, it's only 25 cents a can.
Wait a minute now.
It's only 25 cents a can.
Let them finish up.
And you get 2 of them for 50 cents.
Yeah, that's real. I'd still rather have Super Coke.
If you want a nice, romantic, heavenly bath, please try new Heavenly Bubbles. The bubbles that last throughout your bath.
Great.
Oh, my hands. What's the matter? They hurt so bad I can't even type. Well, I've got the solution. Try Baby Soft Lotion. Baby Soft Lotion, the soft as a baby's butt. Let's see. Oh, that's much better. Baby Soft Lotion. Soft as a baby's butt.
Okay, great.
Right there. It's in front of the poster.
Tell me when to stop now.
Okay, I'm okay, you guys ready?
Don't slouch.
Sit up straight.
Hey, no pictures. No.
Okay. I've been filming like for 3 or 4 minutes now.
Hopefully the tape will run out. By cherry berry. No, that's his, ain't it? I gave him the idea. Try cherry flavored ice to give you a drink at this place.
Okay.
Oh man, this is boring. Here, play with this string Jimmy!
No, I want to play with it first.
Try the new string Jimmy, it's only $1.99.
This is upside down.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. Alright, okay. Alright, make you put the camera down. Okay, prepare a hand and body lotion from the electrician's Foster Parents. It costs $25 for 4 ounces. And for the environmentally conscious people, our bottle is recyclable.
Okay, wait a minute. Sorry. Okay, now you can go.
Famous dessert recipes of the 90s. If you're tired of those old boring recipes, try our famous dessert recipes of the 90s. Out with the old and in with the new.
Okay. Okay. Let's get quiet, please.
$40. Fruit clone and all your favorite fruit scents. $20 for the 8-ounce bottle. Women buy it for all your men.
Wait a minute, I haven't got it going yet. Okay.
Buy cherry berry to be very merry. Cherry berry, so great!
You want to be like Mike, you have to eat Nike AirPods.
Okay.
Bronze tanning bar is perfect for all skin tones. Even people with sensitive skin can use it. Just simply use the tanning bar in the bath or shower as you would any soap, and instantly see your tan deepen. Each application lasts at least 3 weeks. This great new product is only $9.95 and is guaranteed or your money back. You have nothing to lose, so say goodbye to the harmful suns rays and costly tanning salons and call 1-900-TAN-RIGHT.
Okay, that would be a syllable.
Little Mike Headers, super competition.
Best motor style Chevy and Ford, small and big block motors.
Little Mike Headers is guaranteed to give your motor 10 to 20 more horsepower.
Recommended by most car mechanics for high performance engines.
You can have them now on sale, $225.
So call 1-800-264-1 Mac. So remember,
Little Mike Headers.
Okay, that was good.
Improved lasers, bite size and chewy. Everything you have ever wanted in a candy, and remember, if you like zaps, you'll love lasers.
Okay, why don't y'all stay where you're at because somebody was talking and I couldn't hear, and I think the only thing this mic picked up was me going shh. So try one more time, okay?
Maybe we'll do a little bit better this time.
Okay.
Good improved lasers. They're bite-sized and chewy, everything you have ever wanted in a candy. And remember, if you like zaps, you'll love lasers.
Okay.
Wait a second. Hi, I'm Jay.
I'm on.
We are here to tell you about our new ingenious product that only geniuses can think of. By looking at us, you couldn't tell, could you? We have used ideas from Albert Einstein to the scientists of today and rolled them all into one. It is called the new J&R's Interference Alternator. All you have to do is type in celebrities' names such as my own personal friend, Arnold Schwarzenegger. You can also add other things to your body that has proved useful. If you want this product, it will cost you an obscene amount of money. This product is now in stores everywhere. Call today, 1-800-YOU-UGLY. Call soon and fork over the cash.
Okay, that's good.
Friday at 1 o'clock, the Beta Spring Festival begins. Everybody can do something. We're still taking sign-ups for basketball, 3-on-3, and volleyball tournaments. Sign up your team by the counselor's office.
Tomorrow night is our spring dance. It's a country western dance beginning at 7 o'clock and going until 10 here at the high school.
Now that all our finals are finished and grades are in, you can come and throw wet sponges at your favorite teachers.
And new this year is the giant water balloon fight. For $1, you can go at it with 9 other people until all of you are soaking wet. So, starting at 1 o'clock, be there.